everyone, and welcome to this makeup tutorial for Bruce Banner. Well, technically it's more the Hulk. Let's just say both. I couldn't really decide between either of them, so I went with Bruce Banner in transformation into the Hulk. Very specific, but I like it and that's what matters. So in this video I will show you how I do my makeup for my female Bruce Banner in Hulk transformation. Let's go! Usually I put on the wig last, but when it's my real hair I like to do this part first. I separated my hair in 2 layers so it would be easier to choose smaller sections to curl. I used my magic wand to make small curls all over my hair on the first layer before continuing with the upper layer. When everything is done, I use my hands to comb through my hair to make it more natural. Bruce Banner has slightly wavy hair, so I'm going to make a quick messy bun with all the curls. First off, for the base, I'm using a simple concealer as always to even out the color under my eyes and to reduce the red areas in my skin. After I smooth that out, I go over my whole face with a simple powder to match my skin color. Now to the eyebrows. I have very dark and thick eyebrows, so I don't need a lot of work with mine. However, I still like to fill them in slightly with an eyebrow powder just to be more visible in photos. The same goes for rouge on the cheeks, as a little more color will give a bit more life to the face. For the mutation effect, I'm using a product called Collodion. This is a liquid that reminds a bit of nail polish that you put directly on the skin, and when dry it will appear as a very realistic scarring effect. Now it's time to go green. I'm using a vivid green water-based face and body paint, and I'm applying it with a wet sponge on half of my face. I'm using different amount of water on the sponge randomly, so it appears to be several shades of green. Details makes everything just a little bit better, so I'm using an angled brush with very little water to make dark green markings to look like veins. Okay, next step is for me the most uncomfortable one. The contact lens. I don't know why, but my eye just don't want to cooperate with me on this. It took me so many tries and failures to get the one single lens on my eyeball, and I know practice makes perfect, but it happens every single time. But finally it came on in the end, and I could wipe my tears and do some touch-ups on my makeup. Time for more normal makeup again. I'm using my liquid eyeliner to make some pretty wings, and I tried to make them as similar as I could. For the mascara, I'm first using one to get more length. Then I'm using a different one for bigger volume. And that's the last step. That's my secret cap. I'm always angry. And here you see the makeup together with my Bruce Banner suit from the first Avengers movie. I hope you liked this video. For more, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and if you want to support my work, you can always get me a cup of coffee. All links are in the description below. Bye bye!